Welcome to the Healthy Body, Healthy Mind Hub. Today, I want to share with you my journey of healing my body using my mind. Be sure to watch until the end, as the last change is perhaps the most important one, which dramatically improved the quality of my life. I never knew how toxic my thoughts and thinking could be until I realized the problem which needed fixing was me. Stop feeling helpless. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you're constantly battling with your own body and mind. The frustration can be paralyzing, making you feel like there's no way out. But remember, you have more control than you think. Start healing yourself from within. The journey to wellness begins with a single step, and that step is often inward. By focusing on your inner self, you can unlock a world of healing and peace. There was a time when I always felt unwell. My days were filled with fatigue and discomfort, and no amount of rest seemed to help. I was constantly searching for answers, but none seemed to come. I'd see doctors, but they couldn't find anything wrong. Test after test, appointment after appointment, the results were always the same. Nothing was physically wrong with me. It was both a relief and a frustration. My body wasn't sick, but my mind was. The stress and anxiety were taking a toll on my physical health. It was a vicious cycle that I couldn't seem to break. So I decided to take control. I realized that if I wanted to feel better, I had to start from within. I began to explore different ways to heal my mind, hoping it would, in turn, heal my body. First, I strengthened my spiritual relationship with God. This connection gave me a sense of purpose and a foundation to build upon. It was a source of comfort and strength. This gave me a sense of purpose and peace. Meditation became my sanctuary. Each session was a retreat from the chaos of daily life, a moment to center myself and find calm. Just a few minutes a day helped clear my mind and reduce stress. Daily gym workouts, they were a game changer. Physical activity became a crucial part of my routine. They were a game changer. The endorphins released during exercise lifted my spirits and gave me the energy I needed to face each day. Physical movement boosted my mood and energy levels. It was amazing how much better I felt after a good workout. The physical benefits were clear, but the mental benefits were even more profound. Evening walks became my reflection time, a moment to unwind and connect with nature. These walks were more than just exercise. They were a time to clear my mind and find peace in the beauty around me. And let's not forget sleep. Quality rest is often overlooked, but it's essential for healing. Getting enough rest was crucial. I made it a priority to establish a healthy sleep routine, ensuring I got the rest my body needed to recover and recharge. Creating a peaceful bedtime routine helped me wind down and prepare for a restful night. Finally, the most important change to healing was I started planning for success. Setting goals gave me direction and purpose. It was important to have something to strive for, no matter how small. Setting small, achievable goals kept me motivated and focused. Each small victory was a step towards a healthier, happier me. Remember, your mind is powerful. The thoughts you think and the beliefs you hold can shape your reality. By nurturing your mind, you can create a positive impact on your physical health. By nurturing it, you can heal your body too. Self-care practices like journaling, meditation, and spending time in nature can help you maintain a healthy mind-body connection. Start today and feel the change from within. Take that first step towards healing and watch as your life transforms. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Be sure to subscribe to the Healthy Body, Healthy Mind Hub for more videos like this one.